नमस्कार, मी श्वेता शिंदे. खूप छान वाटतं आपल्या कॉलेजबद्दल बोलताना, कारण मला तिथून जे काही मिळालं त्याबद्दल कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करण्याची एक संधी मला मिळते. विश्वनिकेतनमधून मी फक्त 20 नाही झाले, तर तिथून माझ्यामध्ये खूप सारे स्किल्ससुद्धा डेव्हलप झाले. आणि त्याचं कारण म्हणजे मला लाभलेलं उत्तम डिपार्टमेंट, EXCC डिपार्टमेंट. मी काय फार हुशार विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी एक नव्हते, पण तरीसुद्धा माझ्याकडे कोणाचं दुर्लक्ष नाही झालं, कारण आपला विद्यार्थी मागे राहू नये आमच्या शिक्षकांचा हट्टच होता. आणि त्यासाठी प्रत्येकाने खूप मेहनत घेतली. आणि फक्त अभ्यासच नाही तर आपल्या इतर कलागुणांना सुद्धा वाव मिळत होता. वेळोवेळी पाठीवर शाबासकीची थाप सुद्धा पडत होती. आपल्याला जे जे काही हवंय ते उपलब्ध करून देण्यासाठी आदरणीय इनामदार सर, आदरणीय BR पाटील सर खूप मेहनत घेत आहेत. टॅलेंट तर होतं, पण ते दाखवण्यासाठी एक योग्य प्लॅटफॉर्म मिळत नव्हतं. पण विश्वनिकेतन हे असं कॉलेज आहे जिथे फक्त इंजिनियर्स नाही तर आर्टिस्ट सुद्धा घडत आहेत. आणि माझं डिपार्टमेंट तर माझी फॅमिलीच होती. मी सांगू नाही शकत इतका त्रास दिला माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटला, अगदी बारीक सारीक गोष्टींसाठी. पण सगळ्यांनी मला खूप सांभाळून घेतलं, खूप सपोर्ट केला. आपली आई आपल्या बदमाश मुलाला सांभाळून घेते, अगदी तसंच. आपण ऍडमिशन घ्यावं आणि स्वतःला विश्वनिकेतनच्या स्वाधीन करावं. तुमचं सोनं होणार हे 100%. सो मला कोणीही विचारलं तर मी अगदी अभिमानाने सांगते की येस, आय एम अ स्टुडंट ऑफ विश्वनिकेतन. थँक्यू.
Oh, hello everybody. My name is Akash Chauhan and I am a 2017 pass out from Vishwaniketan Institute of Management, Entrepreneurship and Engineering Technology. Currently, I am working as a project engineer in Polron Technologies Private Limited based here in Mumbai. And I'm really fortunate that I have studied in Vishwaniketan. It's a very beautiful and a wonderful college. The basic concept on which the college is built is project-based learning. The experience so far was really wonderful. My 4 years went so good and it's really admirable. I do remember in my initial days of engineering, we used to have business clubs and current affairs clubs, wherein talking about the current scenarios, what is going into the technology field, into the market, everything was being known to us, and students like us used to give short presentations, a case study on different topics altogether. And then there used to be value education programs, a very good concept, and it was actually made mandatory to the students of wherein we were trained on different technologies, okay, considering our respective trades. So it's a really wonderful altogether 8 semester 8 value education programs, and in each semester you need to do a mini project, and we had marks for that, so that was really wonderful. The course structure design was really wonderful, and the college is actually a beauty at itself, far from the city, away from the chaos of the city. A very pleasant environment is there to study. It's really wonderful. The teaching staff is really good. The non-teaching staffs are really helpful, and wonderful altogether journey is what I had in Vishwaniketan. In the first year of engineering, I do remember we used to go for treks. So there is a trek organized, and there are technical fest, there is cultural fest, there are sports festivals. All together, everything is being covered. So it's a really wonderful college, and the journey what I have in my 4 years of engineering, it's really wonderful, and I really miss a lot. And I say that the college should grow more and more and more and nourish like that. And the tagline which is there of Vishwaniketan, nurture, inspire and transform, it stays forever, and I really wish all the very best.
Hello everyone, this is Chinmay Fadnis. I am part of Vishwaniketan's family in their 2018 batch of Electronics and Telecommunication, and I'm currently pursuing an MBA. And I had a blast at Vishwaniketan. For various reasons, I'll name 3 in this video. First one is their approach towards education. The decision makers at Vishwaniketan realized even before its inception that there is a great discrepancy between what students learn in the college and what they practice in their jobs. For engineers, the reason is because technology moves so fast that what you learn right now might already be obsolete in the next 4 years. In order to counter this, they had this system what we called as the value addition program, in which an industry expert came in at the start of every semester in order to teach the students a technology of the student's choice. We had a 2 or 3 week training session, post which students were assigned a project and a mentor, project again being of the student's choice, in which they had to continue exploring the technology in the semester, juggling it with your academics. And at the end of the semester, you had a presentation in which the same industry expert came to judge your project. If they were impressed by it, they directly applied it to the industry. And that's how you got the exposure of working for the industry while you were learning. Second is the exposure that they gave us. For instance, I'll give you my example. I was offered a fellowship, a 45-day fellowship to Technical University of Sofia, Bulgaria, in my first year of graduation. That's how much trust they are willing to put in if you show the interest. Lastly, I'd say the thing that I loved the most about Viswaniketan was the student culture. I found a lot of like-minded people who were really willing to learn and willing to explore much beyond what they thought was possible for themselves. So you are greatly influenced by the people around you, right? So imagine spending 4 years in an institute where you're surrounded by people who are absolutely willing to learn and willing to explore. That's how the experience was for us. We had great faculty. I can speak for electronics and telecommunication. We had amazing faculty who were willing to guide us, who were willing to sit with us when we were nervous, when we were jittery, when we were basically clueless as to what needed to be done. We had friends who, I remember spending a lot of late nights in Viswaniketan. Of course, I was in the hostel, discussing and basically coming up with various solutions to any problem that we chose to solve for ourselves. What I have taken out of these 4 years is I have become a much better problem solver. I have learned a lot of relevant technologies which come into my life even now, which I can apply even now. And finally, when I look back, I feel I have completely transformed as to what I was at the start of the graduation and what I was at the end. And for me, the transformation is what matters the most. And Viswaniketan offers you all the resources, both local and global, due to their family, which extends all across the world, in order to enable that for you. And that, I believe, is the purpose of an engineering graduation or any graduation in general. And I had an absolute great time at Viswaniketan.